Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before starting today's discussion, I want you to picture this. You find yourself facing a seemingly insurmountable obstacle in your life. It could be a financial crisis, a struggling relationship, or a lack of fulfillment in your career. You've tried everything, but nothing seems to work, leaving you feeling trapped and frustrated. What if I told you that there is a method, a hidden secret that allows you to take control of your own reality, a way to give commands and witness things happening in real time, a power that has the potential to change your life and manifest your deepest desires? Today, we are going to unlock the mysteries of Neville Goddard's law of assumption, a powerful technique that holds the key to manifesting your desires. In this video, we will share personal experiences and delve into the profound effects of this technique. I have witnessed firsthand the incredible power of giving commands to make things happen in real time. The law of assumption goes beyond mere positive thinking. It taps into the inherent power of the mind and helps you align your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions with your desired reality. It's about assuming the feeling of already having what you desire, allowing the universe to orchestrate the manifestation in its magical and mysterious ways. But before we dive in, we kindly ask you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. By doing this, you become a part of our community and ensure that you won't miss out on any future insights and techniques. All right, let's get started. Scientists suggest that on average, we have over 10,000 new thoughts every day. These thoughts emerge from the depths of our subconscious mind, influenced by our experiences, beliefs, and surroundings. But what if we consciously directed positive thoughts related to our desires into our minds? By intentionally infusing our thoughts with positivity and aligning them with our desires, we can create a powerful shift in our mindset and lay the foundation for the manifestation of our dreams. Our thoughts act as seeds, and when nourished with positive energy, they have the potential to grow and blossom into the reality we seek. So, how do we put positive thoughts related to our desires into our minds? It starts with conscious awareness and intentional focus. Begin by identifying the thoughts and beliefs that support your desires. These may include affirmations, visualizations, or simply positive statements that reinforce the reality you wish to experience. Choose a method that resonates with you and aligns with your beliefs, rather than getting lost in the maze of options. Neville Goddard believed that the law of assumption is a powerful tool that allows us to align our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions with our desired reality. It goes beyond wishful thinking and taps into the core essence of manifestation, assuming the feeling of already having what we desire. Positive thinking and replacing negative beliefs play a vital role in this manifestation process. Our thoughts and beliefs act as the canvas on which we paint our reality. By consciously choosing positive thoughts and replacing old limiting beliefs with empowering ones, we create a fertile ground for our desires to take root and flourish. However, with a world awash in information and countless manifestation techniques, it's easy to get overwhelmed and confused. The abundance of methods can lead to a state of analysis paralysis, preventing us from taking any action towards manifesting our desires. That's why it's essential to find clarity amidst the chaos. Take a step back, breathe, and trust your intuition. Remember, the law of assumption is simple yet profound. Now let's talk about faith. Before attempting any manifestation technique, it's crucial to cultivate a strong belief in the power of manifestation itself. Without faith, our efforts may falter, and the desired results may elude us. Trust in the process, trust in yourself, and have unwavering faith that your desires are on their way to you. Let's explore the power of the affirming method. Affirmations are positive statements that declare our desires as if they have already manifested. By repeating affirmations daily, we program our subconscious mind to accept our desires as the truth, paving the way for their manifestation in our physical reality. For example, let's say you desire financial abundance. You can affirm, "I'm abundant." Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. By affirming this statement with conviction and unwavering belief, you align yourself with the frequency of abundance, attracting financial opportunities and prosperity into your life. Now let's try to understand how positive affirmations impact our subconscious mind and lead to successful manifestations. Positive affirmations impact our subconscious mind by rewiring our neural pathways and overriding negative beliefs or programming. Our subconscious mind is like a sponge, constantly absorbing information and creating our reality based on what it believes to be true. When we repeat positive affirmations consistently and with belief, we send a clear message to our subconscious that we are deserving of and capable of manifesting our desires. This repetition helps to embed these new beliefs into our subconscious programming, gradually replacing any limiting or negative beliefs that may have held us back in the past. You see, to manifest our desires, we must first become a vibrational match to what we see. This requires letting go of any doubts, fears, or negative beliefs that may be holding us back. It's about consciously choosing thoughts and emotions that align with our desired outcome, even if our current reality seems far from it. Now, let's talk about the importance of consistency and zero doubt when using affirmations. As explained, affirmations are powerful tools that help reprogram our subconscious mind and align our internal world with our external reality. But to make affirmations truly effective, we must practice them consistently and with unwavering belief. Think of it this way. Learning to play a musical instrument requires consistent practice. Imagine you want to become a skilled pianist. You wouldn't expect to play the piano perfectly on your first try. It takes time, practice, and perseverance to become proficient. In the same way, consistency in affirmations tunes your inner state, just like consistent practice tunes your musical instrument. With each repetition of an affirmation, you reinforce your desired belief, replacing any doubts or negative thought patterns that may have been deeply ingrained. Zero doubt means having complete faith in the power of your affirmations and the manifestation process itself. It means trusting that the universe is working in your favor and that your desires are on their way to you. Remember, just as a skilled musician produces beautiful melodies through consistent practice, you can create a harmonious and fulfilling life by consistently aligning your internal state with your desired outcome. Friends, living in the state of having your desire means cultivating a mindset and perspective that aligns with the reality you wish to create. It involves observing the world through the lens of already having what you desire and taking actions with that desired outcome in mind. By doing this, you create a powerful alignment between your internal state and the external world. However, doubts often emerge when transitioning from the state of wanting your desire to actually having it. These doubts can arise from old patterns, limiting beliefs, or societal conditioning that may have been deeply ingrained within us. It's natural for doubts to surface during this phase, as the mind adjusts to the new reality and potential possibilities. It's important to recognize that doubts are part of the process. They indicate areas that need attention and healing. By acknowledging and addressing these doubts, you can release them and further strengthen your belief in the manifestation process. Remember, doubts are temporary hurdles that can be overcome with consistent practice and self-awareness. Maintaining a particular state around the clock can indeed be challenging. We live in a world filled with distractions, external influences, and unexpected circumstances that may temporarily take us out of our desired state. However, remaining in that particular state as much as possible is crucial for manifesting your desires. Think of it as training a muscle. Just as an athlete must consistently work out to maintain their physical strength, you must consistently reinforce and strengthen your desired state to achieve manifestation. This means being mindful of your thoughts and emotions, consciously redirecting any negativity or doubts, and consistently aligning your actions with your desired reality. Manifestation is not an instantaneous process. It requires commitment, patience, and unwavering belief. By continuously living in the state of having your desire, observing the world through that lens, and persistently taking action in alignment with your desired outcome, you will find yourself inching closer to the manifestation of your dreams. And there you have it, my friends. We've explored the incredible power of affirmations and the art of manifesting your desires. Let's recap the key takeaways from today's video. Affirmations serve as a powerful tool to keep your mindset aligned with the desired outcomes you wish to achieve. By using positive statements to reinforce your beliefs and thoughts, you create a mental environment that supports your manifestation journey. Acting and thinking as if you've already achieved what you want to manifest is vital. Rather than focusing on the idea of becoming rich or reaching your goals from a place of desperation, approach life from the standpoint of already having your desires. This mindset shift fosters a sense of abundance and attracts your aspirations effortlessly. Outdated negative thoughts start losing their influence when you establish new pathways through positive thinking and take inspired actions. By consistently nurturing and putting those positive thoughts into action, you rewire your mind, paving the way for a transformational manifestation journey. Following Neville Goddard's wisdom, true manifestation unfolds when you approach life from the state of your wish fulfilled. Instead of solely thinking about your desires or longing for them, immerse yourself in the experience of already having your desires realized. This mindset shift aligns your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired reality, making manifestation easier and more effortless. If you found this video valuable, we kindly ask you to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. We love hearing your thoughts, so please share your comments in the section below. Your insights and experiences enrich our community and inspire others on their manifestation journey. As we conclude, we send you our heartfelt blessings on your manifestation journey. May the universe align to bring you the abundance and fulfillment you seek. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep embracing the power within you. Thank you for being a part of our growing community. Stay tuned for more insightful videos, techniques, and inspiration to unleash the magic of manifestation in your life. Once again, thank you for watching. Until next time, keep manifesting and stay blessed.